ko alam yun, We have a friend. Are you from, ma'am? She's wearing a crown. Hello. Hi. Mommy, what's your name?
Aida Patana from Cebu.
Hi, ma'am. Tayo kayo. You're a first runner-up as what?
Mrs. Philippines World.
Mrs. Wow, kita mo naman si mami, mga Pilipina. Miss Aida Patana. Wow, ma'am. Buti bigyan mo ng jacket si mami. Bigyan mo ng ano. Ilan ho kayo? Ilan kayo?
Tatlo po.
Tatlo?
Anak ko si Stephanie.
Stephanie, are you from Cebu also? You're from Cebu. Wow. Sige, pakibigyan sila ng jacket. Tatlo sila. Welcome mo at thank you for being here. Thank you so
Thank you
much
po.
for being here. Congratulations. Nakakatuwa, di ba?
Hi, Fuel. How are you?
I'm okay.
Yeah.
Hindi niyo ba kilala yan? Kung sino yan? Isa ho yan sa mga simpleng may-ari ng GMA7.
Thank you. And we really support Wawa Win, you know, the Gozon family, the Duabit, and I'm the Jimenez family. And magpe-pledge kami, Kuya Will. We're donating 100,000 for the show.
Oh! Kilabot naman. Really? For what? Para saan?
Because
For
it's
this Christmas?
Christmas, yeah, and we
Wow.
saw na talagang, tumutulong talaga ang Wawa Win, and especially Kuya Will, sa mga kapwa Pilipina
I
natin.
think you have to
Oh.
introduce yourself para malaman na kung sino ka.
I'm Michael Jimenez po. Formerly also, Tuesday Group of Dats Entertainment kay Kuya Germs. But now, ngayon po, iba na po ako ngayon. Yung family ko and also the Gozon family and the Duabit are now in the TV station. Ako naman po nasa Waste to Energy.
Yeah.
Renewable energy na po. Kino-convert natin ang basura para maging kuryente.
Galing
No?
ah.
Okay.
Mr.
Thank you po.
Tito Mike, thank you so much, And also,
And also my partner, actually siya po yung nag-introduce sa atin because her dad is from France. Sa kanya po galing yung technology.
her
Miss
name
Laila
is,
Annie
hi
Cruz.
ma'am. Welcome,
Hello po, Kuya Will. I saw
Hi.
you again. I used to see you in Las Vegas when you had your show. Now I'm here. And thank you so much for continuing to making all the Filipinos happier. And sa tahat ng tulong mo, God bless you, Kuya Will.
Thank you,
We're here
ma'am.
to support you po.
And thank you also, Ang laking bagay po niya. Wow, palapakan po lang, Mr. Michael Mars. Of course, thank you so much. Di ba? Iba, no?
Hello mga kapuso! Sugar Mercado po to. Nagustuhan niyo ba ang mga video na to? Marami pa kaming inihanda para sa inyo. Mag-subscribe lang sa official YouTube channel ng Wawa Win. Don't forget to hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated!